friends, today we are going to see important MCQ in Fundamental of Nursing. Friends, நம்ம இன்னைக்கு ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் அண்ட் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமுக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் பார்க்கலாம். First question, when was Florence Nightingale born? Answer, May 12th, 1820 in Italy. Second question, who is founder of modern nursing? Answer, Florence Nightingale. Third question, in which war Nightingale helped sick people? Answer, Crimean War. Duration 1853 to 1856. Fourth question, who is Lady with Lamp? Answer, Florence Nightingale. Fifth question, who is first nursing theorist? Answer, Florence Nightingale. Sixth question, Florence Nightingale theory also known as? Answer, environmental theory. Seventh question, which is to provide uniformity in nursing education? Answer, INC, Indian Nursing Council. Eighth question, when INC Act legalized in India? Answer, 1949. Ninth question, last amendment in INC Act in which year? Answer, 2020. Tenth question, who is first psychiatric nurse of US? Answer, Linda Richards. 11th question, which one is first step of nursing process? Answer, assessment. 12th question, are you fold the Macintosh? Answer, no, never fold the Macintosh. It should be rolled over. 13th question, which bed is made after discharge of client? Answer, closed bed. 14th one, how many phases of nursing process? Answer, 5. 15th question, which bed is best for COPD and CAD patient? Answer, cardiac bed. 16th question, Nightingale theory mainly focus? Answer, environment. 17th question, Pappola's theory mainly focus? Which one? Answer, interpersonal relationship. 18th one, Orum's theory. Answer, care and help the client to attain total self-care. Next, 19th question, இது வந்து மேட்ச் த ஃபாலோவிங்கில் கேட்பாங்க. விச் பேர் இஸ் கரெக்ட் ஆர் இன்கரெக்ட், தட் மீன் அப்படி கேட்பாங்க. 19th question, நியூமேன் சிஸ்டம் மாடல் that indicate stress reduction. 20th one, 14 based needs comes under Virginia Henderson. 21st question, Callisto Roy, that is Roy adaptation model. 22nd question, 60% of heat loss occur through radiation. 23rd question, what is hyperpyrexia? That means when the temperature more than 105 degree Fahrenheit, that is called hyperpyrexia. 24th question, what is Hay test? What is Hay's test? To detect bile salts in the urine. 25th one, what is Hart test? To detect albumin in the urine, that is called Hart test.